Okay, YouTube, it's Tony Twist here, and we about to go hoverboarding with the Mavic Pro following me. We're gonna see how this works out. I'm gonna have the Mavic Pro follow me from above to my friend's house and see how that works out. Hopefully this is clear because this is the T2, not 3, 4, 5, or 6. This is the 2. But we're gonna take the Mavic out for a flight and see how that goes over the hoverboard. On the hoverboard, let's go.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
I don't know how Casey does this when he be driving through New York and videotaping on his board with the Mavic following him. It's kind of hard to do. I feel like I'm falling like crazy. Very dangerous. You gotta really multitask, you know what I'm saying? Really multitask out here. Boom. Almost fell. The real test is seeing how far this hoverboard will go before the battery dies.